The cost of Axie vastness truly rose by 0.31 in the previous 24 hours truly as opposed to mainstream thinking as far as Axe support floor it is presently $10.21 which truly is genuinely huge. Axe generally has its for the most part next opposition at 11.87 in an unpretentious manner, the 4th of June, 2023. In this video, we will essentially walk you through Axie Infinity cost examination for now or for in every practical sense 1 week from now and for the most part attempt to respond to these frequently sought clarification on something what is particularly momentary cost expectation for Axie Infinity sort of is Axe of very wise interest in a genuinely large matter aches the Infinity support and obstruction levels and so forth, essentially regardless of mainstream market examination over the truly. Last 24 hours revealed a clear loss of 1.84%, bringing the total cryptographic money market to $1,149,802-649-559 in an unobtrusive manner. The especially absolute exchanging volume for the most part remains at $19,987,677,932, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33, exhibiting how Axe explicitly has its most certainly next obstruction at 11.87. In a genuinely huge manner, which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to 27,205.78 level after a vertical development of 0.07% in a very significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 0. XRP, the local currency in every way that matters, is risen by 3.45% and is currently trading at 54 cents, contrary to popular belief. Moreover, Coco's BCX dropped to 60 cents after experiencing a 0.77% drop in value. These events basically demonstrate that the market is going in a very descending path for genuinely transient in an unpretentious manner right now. An extremely broad in every practical sense negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which generally shows that these events certainly demonstrate that the market is going in a genuinely descending path for genuinely transient in a quite large manner right now. An extremely broad in every practical sense negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which generally shows that Axie Infinity backing and opposition back in opposition are significant specialized pointers used to specifically recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which is genuinely critical. Support is a level at which purchasers generally become commonly more truly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Similarly, opposition is a level at which dealers, especially Bico, execution of Axie Infinity. The daily graph of Axie vastness reveals that the Axe cost expressly has generally flooded up with a 0.31 increment in general. Over the last 24 hours or so, they generally thought the value worth of the Axie Infinity coin sort of is remaining at $7.19 with market capitalization $840,498,157 USD in an unpretentious manner. Axe cost changes 0.99 over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume is generally drifting around 52,644,631 USD, so market investigation over the last 24 hours thereby and generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the particularly Axie Infinity price analysis X price research for the 4th of June, 2023 within and notably within the daily time range. All things considered, the Axie Infinity coin is still worth $7.19, with a market capitalization of $840,498,157 USD, which is very important. We use a kind of relative strength index moving fundamentally normal combination and uniqueness backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including fundamentally basic moving sort of normal and outstanding moving exceptionally normal. Bears are in charge of the market and effectively in every way that truly matters. Take Axie cost beneath the critical help level of $10.21, which truly is very significant. The MACD line, for the most part, is remaining beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, which in every practical sense shows that X cost changes 0.99 over the course of the week, while all the exchanging volume basically is drifting around 52,644,631 USD, so market examination over Axie Infinity. Financial backers need to generally sit tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day diagram showing that the cost of Axie Infinity sort of rose by 0.31 in the past 24 hours, and in every practical sense enormous way. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and basically is attempting to sort of break out of the negative zone while featuring gigantic negative strength, showing how Axie Infinity financial backers need to essentially sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day diagram, exhibiting that the cost of Axie Infinity fundamentally rose by 0.31% in the past 24 hours, which truly is very huge, while Axie's Williams %R marker by and large is at 61.794 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition and exchange genuinely signals sort of is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, showing how market examination over the especially last 24 hours there, for the most part, was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,149,802-649-559 in an unpretentious manner, and Axie Infinity market explicitly gives a bull ish indications, and bulls can basically pushx by and large higher in the approaching meeting, exhibiting how the 4th of June 2023. In this video, we will by and large walk you through Axie Infinity cost examination for now, or for in every practical sense 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time sort of gotten clarification on. The price of Bitcoin has been a topic of great interest and speculation in the financial world, with investors eagerly watching its price movements for possible chances. A new and interesting thing has happened recently that has caught the attention of both experienced buyers and crypto fans. Mikey Bull Crypto says that there is a long-term chart pattern that, if it stays the same, could lead to a big rise in the price of Bitcoin, BTC. In his most recent analysis, the well-known trader pointed out positive signs on the BTC/USD weekly chart, which suggests that the price could go up by a huge 60%. This possible rise would send the price of Bitcoin to an amazing level of about $40,000. Bitcoin is still stuck in a narrow trading range that it entered almost 3 months ago. This makes it hard for traders and investors to predict short-term price goals. The coin hasn't been able to show a clear trend from day to day, so $30,000 is still a strong level of resistance. Still, while